Action.
Hello everyone and welcome back to The News with me, Alice, and
me, Thomas. So today, first up, we've got for you the weather with Adam.
Action.
cut. Did you? Action. Now we're talking about the weather. Today there are dry spells, more dry spells, even more dry spells. But tomorrow.
I'm sorry, I'm going to have to cut this report short because I've just been sent some terrible news.
Cut.
Action.
So this just in, we've had to cut the weather report short because there's something terrible happened over the SYT dressing room. So I'll hand over to our correspondent now. Action.
Hi, I'm the correspondent, Maria. The reason we had to cut this short is because I have received some dreadful news. The SYT dressing room has been robbed.
Cut. Turn over.
Action! Here I am, right inside the dressing room. I'm about to talk to the famous actor Peter Ravioli. Cut. Turn over.
Action. Who would do this? Who runs into a changing room and steals shoes? Look at this. Look at all these expensive clothing. Look at that wonderful rug. Why did he only take the shoes? What type of actors are we without shoes? I blame the security guard. The security guard. He was incompetent. He let it get past. And cut. Turn over.
Action! Stop right there! Are you the security guard?
Yeah, who's asking?
That famous actor Peter Ravioli.
Not that guy.
He says that all of the prop shoes have been taken under your watch.
Under my watch?
Indeed.
I would guard every single thing in this room with my life.
That's a likely story. A robber broke in here under your watch.
Well, I have nothing left to say. I can't be bothered dealing with you. How about we look at the CCTV footage and let's see who's right.
Cut!
Turn over.
Action! Ooh la la. Beautiful. Unbelievable. Cut.
Turn over.
Action. And cut.